Today I want to talk a little bit about legal separation. Legal separation is for spouses who want some of the legal benefits of having their relationship more clearly defined than general law. They no longer want to live together, be responsible for each other's finances in certain ways, or they need to have arrangements for children who are minors, and they need to clarify rights and responsibilities without actually getting a divorce. Legal separation is generally not the best choice if you're at the point where the legal ties need to be changed. However, for some families, it's the course of action that they need because maybe they don't meet the residency requirement in Nebraska. You do need to have resided in Nebraska for 1 full year before filing a complaint for dissolution. So filing a complaint for legal separation can provide couples or parties who need to end their relationship eventually. It can provide them some interim orders before later converting to a divorce if they chose to do that, or a dissolution of marriage if we're going to use the official term. It also can be for spouses where they don't want to end the marital relationship fully because of health insurance reasons, religious objections, immigration court issues, and sometimes just they're close to minor children becoming adults and they don't want to fully end the relationship due to changes that may be on the horizon there. So legal separation does allow for division of property, division of assets, division of debts, assigning responsibility for those things, assigning for health insurance. It lets you do those things without a full and final divorce, and it does have the ability to be converted into a dissolution of marriage or full and final divorce later, and basically you would file that as a modification and turn it into the dissolution. So that's a general overview of separation, and again, just breaking down the times where you might choose a legal separation over a divorce. It's often with health insurance issues. For example, if you have one spouse who has some severe medical or mental health issues, it'll be difficult to find coverage, or you have a situation where one spouse really doesn't pay any extra premium, but the coverage is much better than what the other spouse could obtain on their own, and that can often be a reason for that separation choice. Immigration issues, if one spouse is not a citizen of the United States and was brought here, and sometimes remaining married helps assist with visa issues, and also protects the spouse who is a citizen from having to pay certain support if it's described within their agreements as to what the support would look like. And then religious objection, obviously, it protects legally while maintaining the spiritual bond if you believe that marriage is a sacrament. So there may be other reasons that you're interested in a legal separation, and I always strongly encourage people to at least consult with an attorney who practices in this area of law regularly to discuss what your questions are about legal separation versus divorce, your questions about divorce, or any other way that the laws in the state of Nebraska might affect your family. Your best bet is always to at least do an initial consultation to maintain confidentiality, be able to discuss your very specific facts. In law, we recognize that every family is unique, and that there's no cookie cutter family, even though the law tries to be as cookie cutter as it can be. Best bet is to be able to discuss with an attorney confidentially how the law might affect you in your specific situation. So I hope this has been helpful for you if you're considering legal separation or divorce, or know someone who is, and just to get a general overview. And so just as a disclaimer, no one becomes a client of the firm by viewing this video. You do have to have a fee agreement arrangement with the firm. This is not intended as any specific legal advice. It's only available as a general education, kind of a quick Q&A generally as reasons why someone might pursue a legal separation in Nebraska. I hope you have a wonderful day. Best wishes.